Namaste. I'm Rebecca, and today I will be your guide. If you're feeling emotionally disconnected or even shut down or numb, know that you are not alone. Your body and your nervous system are simply responding the best way that they know how. And know that that's okay. Now we are nurturing the body and creating small, subtle, somatic awareness and awakenings through the stimulation of your vagus nerve using Yoga Nidra, a non-sleep deep rest, and the inherent wisdom within your body. Settle into a comfortable place, someplace where ideally you will not be distracted. Settle into a cozy environment, lying flat, or you can remain seated. Remember, this is your unique practice. And make sure the body feels safe, so grab any props that you need to, pillows, blankets, bolsters. I invite you to shift your atmosphere, maybe dim the lights or shut them down, and go ahead and shut down the eyes, maybe soften your gaze. Flip your palms up if you'd like to feel more open, or maybe flip your palms down. I invite you to experiment with keeping the palms down at the beginning of your practice, and as you feel the body shift, you can experiment with flipping the palms back up and open. Let's start by noticing the breath and tune into the body. Notice your facial structure. Take a deep breath in as you arrive, and then let out a nice audible sigh. Now say to yourself, I am allowed to feel. It's safe to reconnect with myself. Bring one hand to the heart and one hand to the space between your eyebrows, the third eye, where we connect to the inner wisdom. Inhale. Gently feel the rise and fall of your breath. No forcing, no changing, just notice. Connect to the feeling of your hand on your heart. The touch of your skin near your third eye, that place of all-knowing. Deepen your exhale to stimulate the vagus nerve. Just stretch it out. Inhaling through the nose, exhale slowly again with a nice audible ah. Now practice that maybe 2 or maybe 3 more times, allowing the body to shift into the parasympathetic nervous system. Changing gears. Take some time to do that now. You can move your hands back down by your hips or keep them on your heart. Bring awareness to your body with no judgment. We are waking up, creating awareness, tuning into sensations. Soften through the eyes. Feel the warmth around your eyelids. Release the facial structure. Feel softening through the temples and warmth melting tension. Feel the arms heavy sinking into the surface beneath you, from your shoulders all the way through to your fingertips. And now feel the natural rhythm of your breath and the heart pulsing. No need to control. It's effortless. Sense the gentle expansion of your abdomen with your breath. The grounding as you breathe in and out, the weight in your pelvis and hips. And then feel your legs heavy, connected to the earth. Energy wrapping all the way around them like candy cane stripes, downward, rooting and grounding you into your ankles and all the way through to the metatarsal head, the ball of your foot, and then into each toe. Invite in a small sway side to side in your body, maybe a rocking in your hips. Gently wiggling the fingers, the toes, feeling all the sensations of being alive. Moving into the minutia, signaling to your nervous system, I am safe. I am resilient. I can move. I can feel. Our lives are very much like a cycle, just like in nature. And now we will journey through the seasons together. Imagine in the springtime, during early spring, cool air, the earth is shifting, budding blossoms, colors popping up everywhere. Imagine yourself like a seed cradled by the earth. Feel the warmth of the ground. There's no pushing, just trust the cycle. Have faith. Have faith. The light is returning. Inhale gently through your nose, and as you exhale, purse your lips like you're exhaling through a straw. Very, very, very slow. As you continue to do this a couple more times, visualize the energy inside you stirring like a bud, ready to bloom and burst open. Feel that energy, feel this wonderful part of the process of transformation. Now we journey into summer, a time of energy and warmth, lots of movement. Maybe find a subtle stretch in your body, a yawn, a roll through the shoulders. Feel warmth cascading over your body, sunshine embracing you. Now let's immerse ourselves into this image. Inhale through your nose, and as you exhale, buzz like a bee with your lips closed. I invite you to practice this 2 more times, feeling the vibration each time moving from your throat into your heart, all the way into your fingertips, stimulating that beautiful energy within the vagus nerve. See the nervous system lighting up like twinkle lights throughout your body. Let's move into the season of autumn, a time to let go and release, to transform. And we do this throughout our day with the breath. Join me now. Take both hands to your heart. Feel the heart inside that magnificent body. Inhale, and as you exhale, let go, let go, let go with a sigh. Continue to breathe with a nice deep sigh, releasing stagnant energy. And notice the shifts. Notice the layers, the edges. So simple and so profound. Just trust the process. And finally, we immerse ourselves in the winter time. This is a place for deep rest, stillness that guides us to inner wisdom. Visualize yourself in a warm cocoon. A blanket of snow is all around. No expectations. Just take in the serenity and the peace of this moment. You can feel the energy of nature everywhere. Breathe naturally. Feel the body inviting in soothing restoration, remembering that rest is not stagnation. It is preparation for renewal. Invite in movement and awareness, deepening the breath, wiggling your fingers and your toes. And then gradually take your hands back to your heart, making small little fists with your hands and gently knock on your chest. Gentle knocking on the chest. And as you knock, feel the sensation of a sigh. Feel the letting go. This gentle vagus nerve stimulation exercise helps to remind the body that it's safe, that it's perfect, that it is insanely amazing. Gentle knocking on your chest, connecting in and stimulating not just the vagus nerve, but the fascia, the connective glue in your body. You can move this gentle knocking down into the abdomen where the vagus nerve wanders. Now I invite you to take your hands to your heart and gently whisper to yourself, I honor my seasons. I trust my body, and I will journey forward at my own pace. When you are ready, my beautiful, beautiful friend, open your eyes and return to the present moment with a renewed sense of energy and spark. Namaste. Thank you so much for letting me be your guide today. Again, I am Rebecca. I love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this practice, please comment below and type vagus nerve. I'm very excited to share with you that I now have an exclusive membership on both YouTube and on Patreon for those of you who need a little extra support on your wellness journey. And I also am thrilled to share with you a free weekly calendar to make your life easier and your practices more regular. Namaste, my beautiful friends.